Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created a complete AI-powered job search system using Claude. This powerful system automates applications, scoring potential jobs, and managing follow-ups, saving significant time and effort. First, let's look at why building an AI job search system is necessary in today's competitive landscape. Job searching often consumes hours every day. I wanted a smarter way to work, focusing only on the highest potential roles. My goal was a system that could accurately analyze roles, tailor application materials perfectly, and save huge amounts of time, all without writing a single line of code. The core idea relies on Claude's advanced language capabilities to handle complex, repetitive tasks that usually require manual effort. The system uses Claude to read job descriptions, score them for fit, generate tailored resumes and cover letters, and track every application automatically. I used 4 simple, accessible tools: Claude, Gmail for job alerts, Google Drive for documents, and a straightforward Google Sheets tracker to manage the entire pipeline. Now let's go through the setup process step by step to implement this powerful system. Step 1 involves setting up daily job alerts from platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed, so Claude had fresh opportunities to analyze every morning. Next, I uploaded a master resume into Claude. This resume serves as the base for Claude to tailor specific bullet points and cover letters. The third step established the fit score system. Claude scores each job from 0 to 100 based on skill match and seniority, ensuring I focus only on the strongest opportunities. Step 4 is crucial. Claude rewrites my resume bullets using the job description's exact language, while ensuring the experience remains truthful. For every strong match, Claude automatically creates a short, highly personalized cover letter, referencing the company's specific needs and my relevant skills. I use a simple tracker sheet where Claude logs the role, fit score, application status, and the date for the next follow-up automatically, keeping everything organized. The final setup step is the follow-up system. Claude reminds me exactly when it's time to follow up on applications, ensuring I stay consistent and professional throughout the process. Let's look at how this system translates into a streamlined daily workflow and the impressive results it delivers. Each morning, I simply paste the new job descriptions into Claude, review the fit scores, and then apply only to the top matches, saving me hours of manual screening every single day. The results speak for themselves. This system allowed me to apply faster, maintain perfect organization, and consistently send higher quality applications tailored perfectly to each role. To wrap up, here are some final thoughts on transforming your job search, along with an important disclaimer. With the right strategic setup, AI truly can transform your job search. Claude makes the entire process smarter, faster, and much more strategic. Remember, this system is for educational purposes only and does not guarantee job outcomes. Always review and verify all AI-generated content before submitting your final application.